Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to access desktop mode on Chrome browser. So if you want to access your desktop mode on your browser, what you have to do is first of all open up your browser, and after opening your browser you have to search for anything that you like for now I'm searching for twitter.com. After searching for Twitter, now you just have to tap on login, and now you have to choose the application which you would like to access your Twitter with. So I would like to use my Chrome, and after opening your Twitter, now you can see you are in your mobile setup. So if you want to change this into desktop setup, what you have to do is you have to tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on desktop set. And after tapping on desktop set, here you can see you have access to your desktop setup on Chrome browser. So this is how you can access your desktop setup on Chrome browser. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.